The world of action cameras is about to be turned upside down. For years, we have been chasing that perfect shot, struggling with stabilization, fighting against low-light grain, and desperately trying to capture the raw intensity of our adventures. But everything you know about compact, rugged filmmaking is about to change forever. Today, we are diving deep into the most anticipated launch of 2026, the DJI Osmo Action 7. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. It is a total reimagining of what a sensor of this size can actually achieve. We have seen the leaks, we have analyzed the supply chain whispers, and now we have the full picture of why this camera is poised to make every other competitor in your bag look like a relic from the past. Imagine a sensor so advanced it finally bridges the gap between a pocket-sized action cam and a professional cinema camera. The core philosophy behind the DJI Osmo Action 7 is uncompromising clarity. While other companies have been focusing on gimmicks, DJI has been obsessing over the physics of light. The engineering team has completely redesigned the internal architecture to allow for a larger-than-life sensor size that defies the laws of physical form factor. When you look at the footage, and we're talking about uncompressed, high bitrate captures, the dynamic range is nothing short of breathtaking. Shadows that used to turn into muddy gray noise now retain deep, rich texture, and highlights that were previously blown out are now beautifully roll off with a cinematic softness we usually only see in setups costing 5 times as much. But what good is image quality if the camera can't keep up with your movement? This is where the Osmo Action 7 truly flexes its muscles. We're looking at a brand new generation of algorithmic stabilization that goes beyond mere digital cropping. The proprietary chip integrated into the heart of this device utilizes real-time spatial mapping, essentially reading the terrain and predicting your motion before it even happens. Whether you're mountain biking down a jagged trail, free-diving in turbulent water, or simply vlogging on a busy city street, the footage is perfectly level, incredibly smooth, and completely devoid of that nauseating jello effect. It feels like the camera is floating on a cloud. It's not just stable. It is fluid, intentional, and perfectly suited for the high-end production quality that modern audiences demand. Let's talk about the user experience, because that is where DJI consistently wins. The mounting system has been completely revolutionized. You're no longer fiddling with flimsy latches or proprietary adapters. The new magnetic mechanical hybrid mount is robust, intuitive, and lightning fast. You can swap from a chest mount to a helmet mount, or even a tripod, in a single second. And the screens? They have pushed the bezels to the absolute limit. You are looking at a display that is brighter, sharper, and more color accurate than anything in the action category, ensuring that you can frame your shot perfectly even under the harshest, direct midday sun. The touch responsiveness has been dialed in to be as smooth as a flagship smartphone, meaning you aren't fighting the UI when you should be catching the moment. The battery performance is the final piece of this puzzle, and it's arguably the most impressive. We all know the struggle of action cameras dying in the cold or fading after an hour of heavy 4K recording. The Osmo Action 7 introduces a high-density, thermally efficient battery system that manages power consumption with incredible intelligence. Through an optimized heat dissipation chassis, the camera stays cool even when recording at the highest frame rates and resolutions. This translates to significantly longer record times, allowing you to focus on the story rather than your battery percentage. It is a workhorse designed for the professional adventurer who cannot afford to miss a single second of the action. This is the new standard, and once you use it, you'll never look back.